This is a St. George-bound local train. The next stop is
Clifton. This is a Tottenville-bound local train.
the next stop is
Old Town. Meanwhile,
good day everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this week's episode as we celebrate the first inaugural service of the R211 trains on Staten Island. And for the special occasion I've used the Munipals conversion kit to modify some of the Munipals A trains and of course the Staten Island Railway as well. First let's get to the local version of the R211S. We got these, also circle roll sign, digital roll sign on the front, and then of course the St. George's logo on the side window. On the other side is the Tottenville local train, and on top, stuck very nicely, the Staten Island sticker. So this originally is the A train, but for this week, the special occasion is the R211S Staten Island local train. Now this one, on the other hand, is the diamond version. That's the express one. So as you can see on the side, based on the conversion kit, St. George's Express, and on the other side, the Tottenville Express. Top looks lovely as well. Very, very smooth indeed. So I really want to give credit to Corruption R46 and Quat for the conversion kit. Now I've also took the opportunity to convert the R44 to the Tottenville Express as well with the conversion kit. While on the other side, of course, is still St. George's. This one's still normal as well. The normal one, you got the Tottenville on one side, and of course St. George's. This one is unmodified. So what do you make of the custom version of the R211S and of course the R44 trains with the special roll sign on there? Let me know in the comment section below about what you think and what should I do next.
Meanwhile,
in this week's Meanwhile Extra, I'm excited to share with you that I have once again boarded a test train on the Ellenbrook Metro line in my hometown, as the opening date has been announced for December. This time the test train ran all the way to the end of the line, and it's a privilege to see a 16-year dream come true. On the other side of the town, the Armadale Metro Rail extension is underway, with the rebuild of the Byford Terminal Station coming together. I had the honour of visiting the construction site to see both the Metro and Diesel Country train platforms taking shape. I'll keep you all up to date with the latest news. Before we finish, a big shout out to the Lego MTA for his Grand City Staten Island R211 special Munipals action. I encourage you all to check it out. And don't forget, tomorrow, Sunday at 10 AM, is the Woodside 63rd Street real subway action. See you at the platform.